to be an old adobe house. Not sure the story on this adobe home or fort or whatever this could have been. I'm sure everybody else might have a better story than me. All I know is that I brought Rob Hawkins up here one time, and he said this whole entire field down there, they used to plant corn. I don't know who was they. Lots of farmers that came back west. At the very end of this, that's buckhorn. At the very end, you can't really see, it's kind of smoky today. We decided to come up here and have a picnic, and there's probably some hunters up in through here somewhere. Just beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous country. This is kind of why I just needed to come breathe some fresh air and feel my roots. And there's my husband. My kids, they found a fort over there somebody was building. For some reason, I am just connected to my ancestors, and I have to get up here occasionally and just feel my roots. God created all this. Geronimo used to ride it. Ancestors used to farm it. And I needed to be here. Oh look, here comes somebody else coming up the road. Lots of people like being around here.